As we continue to showcase women throughout the Upper Peninsula who are making a difference in their communities every day, here is why Melissa Copenhaver is one of those people. As a nurse and social worker, Marquette's Melissa Copenhaver recognizes that we can't separate mind, body, and spirit. And as owner of Sunta Integrative Health, the services are designed to address early traumas that follow children into adulthood and the influence of a high-stress society.
I think, selected nursing originally when I came to Northern as my major because so many people in my family were in the healthcare setting, so I figured if I was going to have anything to contribute at the holiday dinners that I needed to head in that direction. And in that undergrad program, I realized that med-surg hospital-based nursing was not the type of nursing that I really was passionate about.
That led Melissa into public health, which opened her eyes to mental health needs.
I can remember working a family planning clinic one time and that's when we saw a lot of teens coming in for pregnancy prevention and STD treatment. And I remember a teen coming in and she had obvious cuts on her arm, and I realized I had no idea what to say to her. I knew it was something that I should address, but I had no idea how to address it.
Melissa says those are the needs that often no one wants to talk about, but are very prevalent in our communities.
But she just does so many different things. She's got her hand in so many different things in the community. I think that she's an excellent asset for our community just in the work that she does, both with mental health, her nursing degree that she has. She teaches at Northern, so she is working with students there, impacting students there. She has her own clients. I think that's one of the amazing things about Melissa is that not only does she obviously she's my supervisor in the work that I do, but she's also there doing the work that she's supervising us on. So she's directly in it, impacting people that way.
Not only has Melissa made a difference in opening a clinic that addresses a great need in the community, but she's always looking for ways to help more people.
If someone is sexually assaulted, the only opportunity they would have to get a sexual assault exam done and to have the forensic evidence collected is through the emergency department. And it's very hard for emergency departments to make sure that they have trained nurses. They're called sexual assault nurse examiners or SANE nurses. It's very hard for them to maintain nurses that are trained and have them on staff when someone presents and needs a sexual assault exam. So I've been working to bring trainings up to the UP because it's a 40-hour training, and so if we had nurses interested in it that needed to, they would need to typically travel for that training, and so we've brought that up twice, and that has really kind of grown it's allowed people a voice to kind of talk about that this is a concern in our community.
Her efforts also include starting a nonprofit to help victims of sexual assault.
And so 2 years ago we did the initial steps to start a nonprofit. It's called Trace Holistic. And so the intent with Trace Holistic is to provide opportunities so that nurses who are interested in doing SANE can get trained, can maintain their competencies, and that our hope is to provide spaces across the UP, so not just in Marquette, but starting in Marquette, where individuals can seek a sexual assault nurse exam in a community-based setting, because emergency departments have, it'd be very hard for someone to come forward for an exam. It can be even more difficult if they have to walk into an emergency department and say, this is what happened to me.
By being nominated for the Remarkable Women of the Upper Peninsula contest by one of her very own clients, Melissa's changing lives in the community every day.
In touching so many different people, I think she just has so many tools and so much knowledge to be able to help her clients and support them and really make a difference in a lot of people's lives.
I do the work I do just because it's my passion, so it's not something I'm looking for someone to recognize, but so certainly when someone does, it really means so much.